We're trying to go to a waterfall today called Limon, but we have very limited time because we have to get the 3:30 bus to Santo Domingo today, and it's already like 11. So we're gonna try and like go as fast as we can and try and get there. Yeah, I just don't know how easy this is gonna be, but we're gonna try it. Oh my gosh. This is our ride. It should be interesting in the back of a pickup truck. Okay, well, we made it. That was an interesting ride here, but it was really cool. Kind of driving through the mountains and everything, it was really nice. Definitely higher in elevation here, but we'll check out the waterfall here in a second. Sounds cool.
Yeah.
Going to a waterfall. 30 minutes away.
For that shit.
Yep.
Dan.
What's up?
How is it hanging?
2 people filming at one time.
You need every angle.
Yeah, every angle.
covered.
We're both filming at the same time.
The good side.
Yeah,
the good
exactly.
Side. Which one's the good side? We don't know.
Don't know.
Don't know yet.
Exactly. We'll find out later. So
next time.
You know.
On the next episode of Dragon Ball Z. Did they make it to the waterfall? Is the waterfall real? Are there banditos? We don't know.
We don't know. Find out next week. Okay, so far so good. I think our hike's going pretty well. Should be about 30 minutes. I mean, that's at least what the people told us who did it, but we'll see. It's really nice out here. So, we're going to El Limon, which apparently is that way. That is where we're heading. We could have gone to an earlier trail, but it was going to be too far to walk to because we don't have enough time today. Like I said, we had to get back to Santo Domingo. We had to take the 3:30 bus, so kind of tight on time today, but you know, we're gonna try to make it work. Yeah, this really is a beautiful place. It's you know, wow, there's like mud everywhere. It's just really nice to get out in nature because after living in the city for 2 months, you know, I don't know, it's just a bit much. So I'm really glad to be able to come here and see all this. It's just been a really nice couple days. But that's where we're going. So that waterfall looks awesome. Apparently there's another one. So I guess we're gonna go see if we can find the other one. If not, we'll just come back here. But that looks amazing and there's literally nobody there.
Okay.
50 pesos. Okay, so 50 pesos each to get in. It's like $1. I guess the other one's free, but this one's apparently a bit nicer, so we'll go see. That's really cheap anyway, so I can't complain about that.
I think I'm gonna jump.
No, dude, check that out. Oh my gosh. That is crazy. Oh my gosh. The water is really cold. Like they are freezing in there. It's really cold water. Whew. That was awesome. That waterfall, seriously beautiful, and like some of the people were jumping off like so high up, kind of freaked me out a little bit. But yeah, it's cool. The water's really cold, so I didn't really want to like go in too much, but really awesome, really beautiful place. We're just I gotta get back to catch the our ride back to town. Wow. Well, we are now leaving Las Terrenas. I'm very sad. Now back to Santo Domingo, but it's been really, really awesome. They take our moto taxis to the bus station now. We won the bus station, maybe? I don't know. One more time.
One more time.
One more time.
Woo!
All right, exhaust is on the right side. Yep. We made it! Oh, this is the bus station, so I'm gonna wait for the bus here. Hopefully get some food as well.